What if I told you the solution to brighter eyes isn't in your makeup bag? Today we're diving into one of the most common concerns I hear in the treatment room, the delicate skin around your eyes. For many of us, the eye area is the first place we notice wrinkles. Dark circles, puffiness, fine lines, crow's feet. They can be frustrating and make us look older. But here's the empowering part. When we understand why our eyes age faster and what causes this, we can take steps to protect and restore the skin. Today's video is going to walk you through exactly that. And if you want to go even deeper, I've linked the full blog on eye care below. I highly recommend giving it a read after this video. I'm Samantha Dench, licensed esthetician, owner of Skin Deep Aesthetics, author, founder of Zozo Skincare, and host of the Functional Esthetician podcast. Why do your eyes age so fast? The eye area is structurally different from the rest of your face. The skin is thin, fragile, and has no oil glands, which makes it naturally more prone to dryness, irritation, and wrinkles. We also tug at this area constantly, applying makeup, removing makeup, rubbing your eyes, and if you wear contacts, inserting those. Over time, all this stress contributes to fine lines and dark circles. What we now know is that aging around the eyes isn't just about gravity. It's from volume loss in the fat pads beneath your eyes. This creates hollowness, shadows, and deeper wrinkles. As collagen declines, this area becomes even more delicate. Understanding this helps you choose treatments and products that work. What causes dark circles? Dark circles are one of the most misunderstood concerns. Many people assume it's a lack of sleep, and that can be part of it, but there's a bigger reason. The skin under the eyes is thin. And as we age and lose collagen, the tiny blood vessels underneath become more visible, creating that darkened appearance. Combine that with natural facial hollowing, and you get deeper shadows. Genetics play a role, and darker skin tones are prone to hyperpigmentation in this area. But here's what people aren't told. Dark circles can also reflect internal imbalances, such as dehydration, iron deficiency, and deficiencies in vitamins B12 and K. We talk about this deeper connection between internal health and the skin in our Functional Esthetician podcast. If you've been struggling with your skin, this is a must listen, and we drop that link below. What about puffy eyes? Puffiness is typically a fluid issue. The under eye area sits right beside your sinus cavity. So sinus congestion, allergies, illness, or inflammation can lead to swelling. Puffiness is more common in the morning because fluid naturally settles in that area. Tools like gua sha can help move that fluid out from the under eye area. Avoiding sugar and processed foods, staying hydrated, getting plenty of rest, and learning how to de-stress will help minimize your puffiness. What we put inside our body shows up around the eyes faster than anywhere else. Sugar, processed or prepackaged foods, and inflammatory foods contribute to gut inflammation. This affects nutrient absorption. When your body isn't absorbing nutrients well, the delicate skin around your eyes is often the first to reflect that imbalance. Support your body with hydration, increase protein intake, especially fatty red meats, and eliminate any inflammatory triggers can visibly change the brightness and firmness of your eyes. We break down more internal causes of eye concerns in our blog. Be sure to check that out for additional tools and guidance. How to improve your eyes. To rebuild collagen naturally, consistency is key. Protein supplies your body with the amino acids it needs to rebuild and strengthen collagen, improving the elasticity and firmness of your eye area. Eliminating sugar and carbohydrates prevents glycation, a process that accelerates aging. With the right nutritional support, you can improve your health and the structure of your under eye area. How do you apply eye cream correctly? Most people apply eye cream too close to the eyes. that actually causes burning. The correct method is to gently tap on the brow bone. Here's how I apply mine. Apply a pea-size amount to your ring finger. Tap both fingers together to distribute the product. Tap gently along the brow bone, underneath and above the eye area. And blinking will naturally move the product where it needs to go. Less is more when it comes to this area. Look for ingredients like vitamin K, niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, caffeine, and vitamin C and E. These brighten, support, and hydrate without irritation. The eye area may be delicate, but with the right knowledge, nutrition, and habits, it can stay bright, firm, and healthy for years to come. If you want to learn more about everything we covered today, plus our favorite product recommendations, be sure to read our full blog, link below. And if you're interested in the internal connection between your gut and your skin, don't miss our latest episode of the Functional Esthetician Podcast. It's packed with tools and insights to help you heal your skin from the inside out. If you found this video valuable, make sure to hit the subscribe button, like this video, save it for later, and share it with someone who needs to hear this message. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.